Hello, in front of me I've got Kingdome Deliverance. In this video I'll show you how to fist fight. In order to fist fight, you have to constantly move around. Use left mouse button to perform jab and right mouse button to perform hook. Try to keep distance and attack when your opponent misses you. In order to block, press Q button when you see green shield. Immediately after block, make counter attack. In fist fights, you can also kick your opponent by pressing F button. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.